How to create a Google Drive link to share files. Hello everyone, on today's video we will be talking about creating a shareable folder. So for this, first of all open any of your browser. Now go to your Google Drive and create a new folder. For that click on new and name it. Once you have created the folder, just right click or click on the three dots on the folder and you have an option called as share. Tap on it. After that, click on share again. If you want it to be available for all the people, click on restricted option and then on anyone with the link. Now copy the link and share it with your people. However, you want to share the link with only restricted people, in that case, follow the same step, that is go to share, but this time make sure that the general access is restricted and then you can add people from the above section. So these are the two ways by which you can add or share a shareable folder. That is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.